You are going to love the 2021 XT6. The Cadillac XT6 crossover maintains the luxury you expect from a Cadillac with the additional functionality that third-row seating provides. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.